Hello, Skinnies!
Pew, pew, pew.
So these two conspired against me.
What are you talking about? I don't notice anything special.
I don't know anything.
What
This
happened?
morning, Mez goes, we've got to announce the golden ticket winners. I should go get my golden ticket outfit so that one of us can wear it.
One of us.
One of us.
He drives her to pick it up from her house.
On, what's his name, road?
And
I was going to dox you then. I was going to dox you.
Yeah, nearly.
and no one mentions it until about 5 minutes ago. I said,
It only fits one person.
so who's gonna wear the golden ticket costume?
The
And
skinniest one of us had to wear it.
they both looked at me and said, you are. And I was like, you little shits.
We did indeed.
They 100% conspired against me with this.
Well, it is your golden ticket.
Yeah.
Soon to be someone else's golden
I
ticket.
mean, I don't mind because it's creating like a lovely golden glow on my face.
It is.
It is actually.
You are very golden.
No.
Don't take it off.
I'm not going to take it off. I'm just...
She's not wearing anything underneath it. She can't take it off.
I am. Woo!
That's the reveal.
No, so we are very excited today to announce the winner of, well, the two winners of the Cook the Book random golden ticket competition. 40 people
What the heck?
managed to cook all of, where is it? Where's my dinner tray? Over there?
Yeah.
Here.
40 people managed to cook every single recipe in the Healthy Mix Dinners 3 over the last
That's ridiculous.
few weeks. All for a chance of winning a golden ticket to our development team. Now,
Come back,
to make sure that everyone thinks this is above board and all of that, I've got all of the names printed out here, and we're going to read them
The
out.
only way
We're
we
gonna
can
read
do
them
it.
all out.
Sorry, the
We're
only way
gonna
we can do
fold them.
The only way it can be above
Here,
board
you grab this one.
is if I don't touch anything.
Here, Grant, you fold that one.
All right, so
And you've got to read them out.
I
We're
want
gonna
to
do
say
the
thank
nose.
you to Kate Yip.
All right, so see this one?
That's going in the...
Stitched
See
you
this
up.
one up?
It's going in the thermal server. Oh yeah, good luck.
Jeannie Paskowitz.
Pashowitz.
Pashkowitz.
Pashkowitz.
No, Pashkowitz.
Paskowitz.
Pashkowitz.
And then I've got Jasmine Townsend.
I got Joe Wheeler. We got to do this faster. than you
I got
guys.
Wendell.
Faster.
Wendell Willow. Wendell Willow, you made it in.
Plumridge.
Jessica Corrigan.
Sophie Sheehan.
Kylie Derecki.
Derecki, if she'll win.
Camille McGrath.
Megan Al-Lawita.
Jacqueline Fletcher.
Jackie.
Ebony Jessup.
Cassandra Fick.
Christy Shaw. Got an easy one.
Christy Shell.
She'll win.
Jenny Ralston.
Dina Scottman.
Jackie.
At least someone Scottman.
Jackie Solomon.
You just do jokes on their names all day.
Bron Grieve.
Leonie Hewson.
Ooh, I don't know how to say this one.
Give it to me.
Carly Guren.
Oh, no.
Gurin.
Carly Gurin.
Melanie Cressy.
Andrew and Belinda Souter.
Tracy Evans.
Oh, what a beautiful name. Magdalena Giovanna.
Ooh.
Magdalena is a beautiful
That is a
name.
beautiful
and it's
Amy
one of my
Henry.
favourite songs.
Does it really sing it?
Alicia Strumbergen.
Marianne Turner.
That sounds like a German pastry.
Yoni Trist. Hi, Yoni.
Well, I know who's the boss.
Megan Best.
Tara Leader.
I love her posts.
Kim O'Brien.
Stephanie Young. Always young.
Nadine Johnston.
Marie Lansdowne.
Oh, hands down, Lansdowne. Rochelle Marsh. Marshy win.
And Sally Offord.
Who?
Sally Offord.
What does she offer?
Do you know, you're probably like bringing up all these poor women's like triggers from high school.
You want to be triggered?
100%.
You want to be triggered?
No,
Here's a golden ticket for you.
no, get out of it. You're out. Go away.
I'm back.
So much.
There's, this
trouble.
one's warmed up.
I'm so done with you. You're banned now from lives. No, just stop putting the golden ticket in gross places.
That one is.
Anyway,
Whoever wants that golden ticket, you DM me.
we have 2 golden tickets to give away to two of these lucky people.
Who's going to draw them?
Now, for those of you who don't win a golden ticket today, First of all, your names are in our minds. So your efforts weren't wasted. But if we would love to either give you a t-shirt if you haven't got one before, or we would love to give you a $50 voucher. So come next book launch, whatever the book costs, you will be able to get it for free.
Yeah, boy.
And do this all over again.
Hi, Melissa.
So good.
Hi, Tanya.
So,
It is incredible, Melissa, that so many people
who's
did
going
it.
to do a drum roll?
Hang on. Who's joining first? You gotta give
Me,
me a chance
I'm
to see
doing
it.
them both.
Both?
Yeah, I'm doing them both. Come into it, Liz. I can't see.
You can't see. I put it right in front of your face.
Yes.
Wow, it's the best live ever.
Alright, should I pick one yet?
Yes.
Alright, I'm
got
just
too
making
many.
sure that I've just got one. Alright,
Oh my god.
who's excited? Am I
Do we get to call them? Maybe we just look at the name and then.
Stephanie Young.
Oh, forever young. I want to be forever young.
Congratulations,
Do you
Stephanie,
really want
on
to live
being
forever?
our
Tag her.
first golden winner.
Can someone tag her?
And then, again,
We're going to get you to deliver it in this outfit.
Yeah.
Hopefully she lives like
I am
somewhere
never
really
wearing
far away.
gold. Gold is not my colour.
It's definitely your colour.
Alright, second one. Alright, don't make me reach too far.
Hi, Steph.
Stephanie!
Which step?
Freddie.
Hey,
Stephanie
Steph.
Young won. Oh my lord.
Alright, I got the second one.
Oh my.
Oh, the pressure.
Let me see it first.
Who do you want it to
let's
be?
watch
No,
it.
I'm just kidding.
Let's watch. Let's see. Let's read it before you say it.
Alright.
I know, I
Let's see.
actually do have one person that I want it to be, but I won't say.
Let's see. Let's see it.
Are you
Say
ready?
it. Just show us. It is. It's Tina's sister. Once she reads it out,
Oh,
everyone-
Congratulations to Marion Turner.
Hey,
Yay!
Maz. Nice
We
job.
need one of those confetti things.
So, we have. Do you know, I
say
want
call her.
to.
We don't have the
I
phone
do
numbers.
want to, but I don't know their numbers.
Yeah, Brooke.
So we have Marion Turner and we have Stephanie Young.
Oh, that's amazing.
Legend.
So congratulations to the both of you for winning a golden ticket to our amazing development team.
Yes.
Don't stress, you guys, if you didn't win one.
Because you're getting special treats.
They're still the ones to go out with the post. So
Oh, yeah.
you may receive one.
And
You might be lucky enough to get a random one. You
and
never
Brad
know.
and I might pack them.
Not
They're open
this
to
one.
bribes.
Not this one.
No, that one's going in the bin.
Wash your hands
That
right
one's
away.
contaminated.
Wash your hands straight away.
Did someone tag these two winners? Anyone?
Stephanie Young and Marion Turner.
Brooke.
Such a bummer. I wish that they were like on
They
the
might be
line.
online.
I know.
They might be.
They're not.
How do you know?
They're not. I can see.
But they might pop up and be tagged. Friends are going frantically.
I'm so excited for them. Everybody did an amazing job. I
I
saw
know.
so many good posts, so many amazing people taking pictures, and I think the most important thing was that they shared. I always the ones that I got to see. I asked them what their favorite was and what their least favorite
Yeah.
was, because then the community sees, someone who's cooked every recipe in the book.
Yeah.
I don't even think I've cooked every recipe in the book.
I
I'm just
definitely
kidding.
haven't.
Of course I have.
Did you?
We can't tag on the page.
Oh.
There you go. We will let them know though.
Yeah, maybe.
I know they're friends
Did
with
we
Tina, like
come
crazy.
back last time after we got their number?
Yeah, we
I
did.
think we did.
We did.
Maybe we could do that. Brooke,
All right, we'll
look
find
it
out.
up.
We'll find out.
We might be back.
Hey, Mum. Everyone say hi to my mum.
She just messaged.
Hi,
and watching.
Mummy.
Hey, Patty.
We miss you, Mum.
I'm coming up again for
How's
some-
the
Come
tuna?
home, Mum. She doesn't eat tuna.
Yeah, well, she was filming tuna.
What?
All right, you guys. I'm gonna sign off, but I want to say a final congratulations to
Marion.
Stephanie and Marion on winning our 2 random golden tickets from Cook the Book.
Amazing.
Now, to all of you who didn't win a golden ticket, you will still.
Brooke's on it. Brooke's on it. Thanks, Brookie.
Lani's just coming and gone.
What
are you
the?
wearing? It's a,
What?
It's a new fashion thing.
You should see her
It's a
face.
giant
It's so
golden
funny.
ticket.
She's a giant golden ticket.
hang
Can
on.
you believe we convinced her to do
It's a
it?
full golden ticket.
Lani's doing the full teenage look of like, you are so
Mum,
embarrassing.
You are so embarrassed. Anyway, stay tuned.
We might be back.
We might be back and calling people randomly.
Yeah.
We'll see. We'll let you know.